Isaac, where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? Oh. Isaac, where's your tongue? What does that mean? What does that mean? You found your tongue. You got a silly tongue. Let me see your tongue. Hey, where you going? Oh, you fell back. Oh, you got mad. Okay. Let's get back forward. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay. You got yourself. Hey. Hey, why are you getting mad? Hey, let me see your tongue. Let me see your tongue. Go. If I stick my tongue out at him, he sticks his tongue out. Let me see. I see your tongue. Let me see. I turned your toy off. I turned it off. Let me see your tongue. Let me see that tongue. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh goodness, look. Isaac, Mom wants to see you do your tongue. Isaac. He's so silly. Go, baby, go. You want to do jumping? Go jumping. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. You gonna go jumping? Go jumping. Jumping. Go. You don't want to do jumping? Yay! Go jumping. Jumping. No? Go ba. Go ba. You're so silly. No, you're not silly. No, no, you're not silly, huh? No. Oh, you're such a cute baby. Look at you. Look at my cute baby. Oh my goodness. Where's my cute baby? Huh? Isaac. Whoa, baby. What? Where's my baby? Yay! You could clap your hands. Do yay. Yay! Isaac. Do yay. Yay! What are you doing?